Been trying to reorganize my craft room again. It's Audrey Hepburn inspired. I love crafting, whether it be paper crafting, working with die cutting machines, vinyl, whatever. I just like crafting. I'm an avid sewer, love sewing, love designing my own aprons, giving them out as gifts. But this is my space that I kind of come to relax, unwind, and just my happy place. As I mentioned, I am an Audrey Hepburn fanatic. These are how I organize my stamps and dies and stuff like that. I got to do that a little bit better, but there's paper there, and I have containers of papers. And then I have a walk-in closet. I'm not going to take you in there. I need to finish reorganizing that again. But I do love Audrey Hepburn, so I have quite a bit of stuff. Audrey. Love flowers. Those are fake. Love listening to music when I'm in here. And I do love coloring. Those are all my Copics. Completed that collection a couple years ago. Been working on my refills. And I made that clock a few weeks ago to add to my space. And that closet there, lots of stuff. I won't even open it. Too much craft stuff. But I'm not a drinker, and I do enjoy crafting. And this is my happy place. There's my heat press. I love using that. I got some stuff lined up that I'm going to do already. But welcome to my happy place. The happiest place on earth for me. If not my kitchen. I love cooking.